Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Rediffmail account quickly. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. So to create a Rediffmail account using your mobile device, you have to go to Play Store. And then you have to search for the Rediffmail app. Now you have to simply install it on your mobile device. And once it gets completely installed, press open. And the first thing you are getting is this notification: allow Rediffmail to access photos, media and files on your device. So you can simply tap allow. Now you are getting one end user license agreement, so you simply have to tap accept. And now you are getting the option to sign into your mail account, or you can also create one ID right now. So press create now given at the bottom. Now here you have been directed to a new tab on your browser. As you can see, I have been shifted to my browser. So now here you have to enter all these information to create a Rediffmail account. So first of all, you have to enter your full name. And then you have to choose a Rediffmail ID for yourself. So you can create any mail ID for you. And then you have to create a password for your account. And now you have to retype the password here. After that, you have to enter your mobile number. So first of all, you have to select your country code. All right. And in the next blank, you have to enter your mobile number. Now next you have to enter one alternate email ID so that you can use it to recover your account whenever you need it. Alright, so you can enter any of your ID like your Gmail ID, your Yahoo ID or so on. Next you have to select your country and your city. And then you have to type the code that you can see in the image. After that, tap create my account. Okay, so it's written that you are using words or phrase that are not allowed. Please choose another ID and try again. ID should not contain special characters, so it means I have to remove this and I will only keep the username part. And then I'm gonna go and again enter the code. And then tap create my account. Now it is saying that password must contain mix of upper and lower case characters. So I'm going to change my password again. So I have changed my password. Now again I'm going to enter the code that is given to me. And tap create my account. So yeah, OTP has been sent to my mobile number that I have to enter here. And here you are also getting the option to save your password in your Google account. So if you want to go with that, that's completely up to you. If you want to save your password, press save or press never, or you can simply close it. So I'm going to go and check the OTP that has been sent to me. So that's the code I have received. Now press verify. So yeah, you have successfully registered for ID. Your ID is given here and you can now start using the email ID. Alright, so that's how you can create a Rediff mail ID for yourself. So make sure you note down this ID somewhere, or you can simply take a screenshot, and also make sure to keep a note of your password. Alright, so now I'm gonna go and press sign in. So I have been sent back to the Rediffmail app, as you can see right here. Now I can simply sign in to my mail account. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to enter my email ID and then tap proceed. Now I have to enter my password and then tap sign in. So yeah, I have been signed into my Rediffmail account. Now if you want, you can save this password again to your Google account if you want, or you can simply skip it. That was all for this video. For any queries, you can reach out to the comment box below, and you can also visit my website getassist.net, where I post similar content. And for now, I will take the leave. Will be back soon with my next video.